In this video, I'll show you how to update the Ticketmaster app. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone, depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. Once you've opened the App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in Ticketmaster. When the Ticketmaster app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app's page. If you see an Update button, that means a new version of the app is available. Tap on that Update button, and the app will begin updating. If you don't see an Update button and only see Open and Uninstall options, that means you already have the latest version of the app installed. If you want to avoid manually updating the app in the future, you can enable automatic updates. To enable auto updates, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Enable Auto Update. Now, every time a new version of the Ticketmaster app is released, it will automatically update on your phone without you having to do anything. And this is how you can update the Ticketmaster app.